Good afternoon, John here. Well, I weed whacked the garden this afternoon. It was kind of overcast and put on the long pants and weed whacked all the weeds in the garden. And then I came in and I just made seven more of the crosses. I like this size. I gave the last, well, this was the last one. I gave next to the last one out last night. But I just realized I need to get a stamp. This takes almost as long as making the crosses, printing out those labels and peel them off. I need to get a stamp to just stamp that. But I got these 7 ready to strap on like this. I just drill a hole and strap them on. That works pretty well. But yeah, I'm kind of sticking with this size because it fits in my spray skirt nice. But so anyhow, I'm good for 8 more trips, I guess. But yeah, I didn't go kayaking. It's calling for rain. We might get some rain here in the next 3 days here. 80% chance, I think, tonight and tomorrow and the next day. But boy, a lot in the news these days on the Middle East. Everybody and their dogs weighing in. I guess if I weigh in, I'm a dog. Or everybody, I don't know, one or the other. All I know is God's in control, and if you read all the prophecies in the Bible, pretty much the theme that stands out is God brings Israel back to the land. That's already happened. And then the other theme is God brings the people back to God in the doing of it. And I was reading in Ezekiel 39 one passage that kind of has always puzzled me, the part where it says the attackers from the north, Persia and Gog and Magog, I guess it's the Gog and Magog. I think that's during the tribulation, or I'm not sure exactly the time frame of that one, but the part that I puzzles me is the part where it says Israel will use the weapons of war that was against them for energy, for power, for 7 years. And I'm thinking, what is that? Is that nuclear or what? I don't know. I don't know what that is. But that one's always kind of puzzled me. But anyhow, I hope you're all having a blessed day here, and keep on walking by faith. All right, take care. God bless.